Hi guys, so I am back with a new video.
Good, sometimes I don't, I finesse down Western Road, next. Might go down to G-O-D, I go hard on South.
Creating this look, a halo eye. I see this look first on, I think it was Holly Boons. Yeah, I think it was Holly Boons' video I watched it on. But it was ages ago now, so it was quite an old video. I think it was actually, it was a testing video. I'm just gonna get straight into the video for you all. Okay, well, see you in a jiffy. Cringeworthy, you know, cringeworthy. Anyway, carry on watching if, yeah, you wanna see what I did. First of all, mind my voice because obviously I still sound quite ill. Whenever someone gets ill in this house, like everyone gets ill, I'm the only one who sits there for about 4 weeks, still ill. First thing I'm going to use is the oil I have been using every day. There we go. Pop just a few drops of this on my face. I just like this because it makes my skin go really soft and it feels cool on your face. Next I'm going to be going in with 2 different foundations mixed together. One from Lancôme, there we go. Mixing it with Rimmel London, 25-hour one. The mirror is just there, so I will be looking over there. Yeah. And by the way, if some of you are going to be wondering why I'm not wearing much foundation today, because I'm not putting on a lot. And that's because I'm just ill, my skin's been going crazy because I'm on at the minute, so you can imagine I'm quite stressed out that everything's hit me in one go. It's really irritating. But, you know, us girls just have to deal with that sort of thing all the time. Right, so, first of all, I'm going to be going in with an orangey colour, just to get that transition colour going on. For some reason, this orange is still looking red. I don't know why, okay? But I'm going to spread that all over to go in. Oh blimey. I'm clumsy, what can I say? So we're going to go with that. Chestnut. I'm going to plonk that there on the outer edges and on the inner edges too, okay? So we just da-da-da. And then through the crease, fluff that out with your fluffy brush. Going to take a brown colour called Stone and I'm going to pat that on the outer corner and the inner corner. Now I'm basically going to go in with that same brush and just blend a tiny bit over into the crease, yeah, the crease. And then go back with your fluffy brush, can't remember which. Constantly dropping things. What did I say? I said I constantly drop things. I'm going to go in and just put a bit of Pure on. I've used this colour all the time, so I know it off by heart now. And I'm just going to pat that over the top of that concealer. I'm just going to take that same red and that stony colour and just pat it on the outside and on the inside again. I'm now going to go off camera and do the other eye, just so it's all faster for you. Don't really want to be wasting your time. Right, so now I am back. I have finished and done my lashes. I am going to just conceal my face. I'm thinking about doing a video about my anxiety. So if any of you suffer with that and don't necessarily talk about it and would like me to do one, then let me know in the comment section below. Like, because I'm really bad with anxiety. Like, obviously on camera everyone sees me as like so confident and like not really caring, because that's how you're going to come across when you're doing something like this anyway. But I have really bad anxiety, guys. It's sometimes where just worrying about a certain thing you don't like doing, and like, yeah, you'll just literally just won't end up, like, you'll either not end up doing it, or you'll be like sweating, like your heart will be pulsating all the way through, you'll be panicking, you'll feel like you can't breathe and things like that. With anxiety, you can't get yourself over it. It doesn't matter how many times you try, you can't get yourself over it. You just have to learn to deal with it, because every time it's going to be like that for you. But yeah, do let me know if anyone would like me to speak a little bit more about my anxiety. And yeah, after my foundation, after my concealer babes, just use my drops again. And I'm not going to use as much this time, because last time I used a little bit too much. Just the blob on my nose. There we go. Oh, did I just get that in my hair? I probably got that in my hair, didn't I? But hey ho. I always ruin things, don't I? I'm going to use my Milani Colour Statement lip liner in True Red. I don't overline my lips at all, guys. Like, my lips are so tiny, so if I do, well, obviously I do like on nights out. Other than that, I don't. It just looks odd with my lips. My lips are so small. There's just no point. Try this out. It's a new lipstick by B&H Cosmetics. I don't know why I say B&H, because it's BH. But you know. I don't know why I do weird things. Okay. So if you're wondering, I don't know. I hope you enjoyed this look. I would put my hair down, but it's just a hair up kind of day, okay? I hope you enjoyed this look. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this look, and please subscribe if you are new here and you have got to this point, because you must have enjoyed it, okay? Anyhow, see you all later. Bye.